This is farming in the year 2050.
Machines now lead the fields. Drones watch every plant. Every seed is placed with precision. Farms are now growing upward. Water feeds every plant perfectly. Smart drones protect the harvest. Robots harvest with perfect care. Artificial intelligence manages everything. Food moves without drivers. Every drop of water matters. Clean energy powers the future farm. Soil health is always monitored. Plants grow day and night. Sorting is faster than ever.
The farm never sleeps.
Fields prepare themselves. The perfect climate is controlled. Every fruit is carefully picked.
Automation drives agriculture.
AI predicts tomorrow's weather.
The sky is full of smart drones.
Plants grow without soil.
Fresh food moves quickly.
Agriculture becomes a smart city. Robots deliver the harvest. Farms now touch the sky. The future of food is here. A new farming era begins. This is the future of agriculture.